Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan Namdev Ghule, my first semester, and my course name is MMS, roll number MB21039, and subject name Business Statistic, and presentation topic is mean deviation. The firstly I am talking about all about the agenda. The first is definition, brief explanation of the topic, where and when it is used, advantages, limitations, and one numerical. Okay, firstly I am talking about the definition. The mean deviation is defined as a statistical measure that is used to calculate the average deviation from the mean value of a given data set. The mean deviation of a data value can be easily calculated using the below process. Okay, the step 1. The find the mean value for the given data values. The second step, now subtract the mean value from each of the data value in given. If ignore the minus the symbol. Step 3. Now find the mean of those value obtained in step 2. The brief explanation of the topic. The mean deviation of the data value can be easily calculated using the below procedure. The step 1. Find the value of a mean value for the given data values. Step 2. Now subtract the mean value from each data value given. And step 3. Now find the mean of those value obtained in step 2. The mean value of absolute value of a numerical difference between a number of a set such as a statistical data and their mean or median. Where and when it is used. Mean deviation is used to compute how far the value in a data set are from the center point. Mean deviation and middle all from the center point of the data set. In other words, the mean deviation is used to calculate the average of absolute deviation of the data from the central point. And another is the mean deviation is the measure of the central tendency. We can calculate it from the arithmetic mean, median, or the mode. It shows us how far all the observations from the middle or average. The each deviation is an absolute deviation as it absolute value, which is implies that we ignore the negative signs. And mid deviation tell us how far or average all the value are from the median. So their advantages. It is easy to calculate. It is based on all observation of the series. It shows the dispersion or scatter of the various items of a series from its central value. It is not very much affected by the value of extreme items of the series. Limitations. The mean can be used for both continuous and discrete numerical data. Limitations of the mean. The mean cannot be calculated for the categories data, as the value cannot be summed, as the mean includes every value in a distribution. The mean is the influence of the outliers and arcs and skew distributions. Thank you.